maybe a small handful of teams, but there's no doubt. We talked with sources yesterday. They see the Yankees potentially being the most motivated because Garrett Cole, Aaron Judge, Giancarlo Stanton, they're middle-aged players right in the prime of their careers. This is the Yankees' window to win now. You bring in Ohtani, suddenly the Yankees rotation with him involved looks so strong. Ohtani